next one. In this video, I am going to show you how to unlink American Express in Gcash. 1. Open the Gcash app. 2. Log into your Gcash account using your mobile number and PIN. 3. Navigate to the linked account section. And then look for payment methods or something similar. Within the linked account section, find and select the American Express card that you want to unlink. 5. Once you've selected it, there's an option to unlink or remove it. This option is typically represented by a button. 6. Confirm the unlinking. The app may ask you to confirm the unlinking process, confirm your choice, and the American Express card should be removed. 7. Look for a confirmation message or notification indicating that the unlinking process was successful. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.